In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customer invoices on QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances, being able to efficiently edit invoices is crucial, and QuickBooks Online provides a user-friendly platform to handle this task. So let's dive right in and simplify the process together. First, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, clicking on Sign In is your first step. It's pretty straightforward, and if you've been using QuickBooks Online for a while, you'll notice it's positioned right at the top of the page. After signing in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This selection will ensure that you are in the right place, as QuickBooks has different products, and navigating the right one is key to accessing all your business's financial information. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, you'll see the familiar fields to input your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. As always, security is paramount, so ensure your password is strong and that you're in a secure network environment while entering these details. Now that you're successfully logged into QuickBooks Online, it's time to navigate to where your invoices are stored. You'll want to head over to the sales section. This section is like the central hub where you can view, edit, and manage anything related to sales transactions, invoices, and customer-related financial details. Once you've clicked on Sales, direct your attention to the Invoices tab. Selecting this tab will bring up a complete list of all invoices you've issued to your customers. It's laid out in a way that makes it easy to see due dates, outstanding balances, and more, making it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for. Here comes the main part, editing an invoice. On the far right of each invoice entry, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Clicking on this gives you the edit options you need. This drop-down is a little powerhouse of functionality, allowing you to change crucial details like the invoice date, amount, terms, and even specific line items if necessary. Remember that making changes to an invoice once it's been sent can impact your records and those of your customer, so be sure to communicate any updates clearly. QuickBooks Online keeps a log of all these changes, which is handy for future reference or audits. And there you have it, just a few simple clicks and you're able to fully edit any customer invoice on QuickBooks Online. It's user-friendly, efficient, and a fantastic way to keep your business finances in tip-top shape. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy invoicing.